Everyone, yesterday we have seen the title and caption, right? Today we'll see filters. The screen is visible online.
Yes, sir.
So we are going to see filter options: general, wildcard, conditional, and top. Top we have seen already while creating the parameter. Yes or no? So we have to see these three things, and again, once again, we'll see the top. Okay. So it will be better if you open a new Python file, Tableau file. Create the sheet, name it as filter general, and let me know it's done.
I cannot join the class.
यहाँ से दिख रहा है ना, यहाँ से बना लीजिए. Done. Yes or no? How many of you are done? Yes, last two. Done? So see here, after creating this, is it done?
No, I said
This is sample superstores. Which you have used? Sample superstores? So just see here, I will give time to make. Taking this region into the filter, we are going to learn about this filter section. This is what? Filter section. Okay. Keeping here region. Right now, all the regions are visible here. See, these all colors. Blue stand for central, east, southwest. All regions are visible. If I want to see only south and west, so I am selecting only this two, clicking on apply. Okay. So only both are visible. Okay. Now, let us suppose many partitions are there. If I only want to remove two and keep all others, yes, let us suppose 10 are there. So selecting 10 instead of that, unselecting 2 will be beneficial, right? So what we are doing, selecting 2 and telling exclude. So whatever will be selected, that will be excluded. So apply. Okay. Getting it? Please do this. Done. Now create one more sheet. Name it as filter wildcard. Done. Now see everybody, focus here. Taking subcategory in this filter. What I am taking? Subcategory. Keeping it here. Now general we have seen just now. We'll go to wildcard. In this wildcard, few options we are having. Let us understand this option. Contains means, let us suppose this bookcase. Bookcase subcategory. It contains the letter O. Yes or no? So this contains work like that. When I say O, so give me all the categories, subcategories which contains O. So apply. Okay. So see bookcases, envelope, storage, accessories, copiers, phones. This all contains O. Then again going here back, edit filter, wildcard. Don't do it right now. Here I am writing starts with. Let us suppose starts with S. It will look out for whatever subcategories starting with S. Apply. Okay. So storage, supplies starting with S. If I say ends with S, so give me the subcategories which are ending with the letter S. See bookcases, chairs, furnishing, tables, appliances, binders, envelopes, all are ending with S. How many are there? 14. 14 subcategories which are ending with S. Then edit filter, wildcard, exact match. So I have to write the exact spelling. A-R-T, art or arts, I guess. Art or arts? Art. So see, art is exactly match. So whatever I will write, so exact match will be there. Now, like we were having exclude option in the here, whatever I select, I can exclude that. So here also, if I click on exclude, all the option become contains become does not contain. Okay, when I say O, so it will give me all the subcategories which doesn't contains O. So apply OK. This subcategory name doesn't contain O. Then doesn't start with S. Give me the subcategory which does not start with S. See, all these are not starting with S. How many are there? 15 are there which are not starting with S. Then does not end with S. 14 were ending with S, right? So 15, 16, 17. 3 are not ending with S. Then filter, wildcard, does not match. If I write here art, I will get all other 16 which are not matching to this art subcategory art. So output is 16 subcategory. Okay. So do this all 8 options. Exclude now wildcard options. Now let us see filter condition. Everybody, I hope everyone is done. Yes. Now see, create one more sheet, name it as filter condition. Same you can create. Done. See everyone, taking this subcategory, putting here, giving the condition. Okay, by field, sales, sum of sales. Okay, you can change it. You can select any other field. You can select any other aggregation. You can make it average, mean, median, count. So I'm taking sales. So because we have created sheet according to the sales, and it will be easily visible when you see this sales. So I want sales which are greater than, let us suppose, 1 lakh, greater than, greater than 1 lakh. Understood? So here we are not giving according to the name of the subcategory or something. I'm giving according to the sales. Wherever the sale is greater than 1 lakh, give me that subcategory in the output. See, 1 lakh 15, 3 lakh, 2 lakhs. Yes. So all this, getting it. Please do this, everybody. Filter condition. You can try other less than 1 lakh, then all other subcategories which are less than that. These are less than. It is 95,000. Do it. Filter condition.
We can put minimum, maximum variable.
Then can we go for next? We'll go for filter top. This we are already done in the previous class. Once again we are doing. Create this, name it as filter top. Done. So taking this subcategory into the filter. Done. Why are you doing simultaneously? Don't do it. I'll give you time. So click on buy field. Then here we can select top 10 elements. So this will be the fixed value. When I say 10, it will be a fixed one. If I want a dynamic one, so either I can create a parameter or I can use an existing parameter. If this is a new file, there will no parameter. So you have to create. So everyone has created new file. Yes. So clicking on the drop down, edit. Here clicking on the drop down, here I have create new parameter. For me, as it is an old file, top 5, top 10, this parameters are present. For you, you will have to create a new parameter. Clicking on that, you'll write, let us suppose top 10. Top 10. Current value doesn't matter, you can keep it as 1, 2, anything. Then this 1 comma 10 because we are trying to find top 10 values, not more than that, because as we are having 17 values, so we might be not finding total 17. Top 17 will not make sense. If a class of student 17 students are there, will not write the all 17 students name on the board naming them top 17. It won't be relevant. We will be writing top 5 students, top 10 students, yes or no? Similarly, we'll write 1 to 10. Okay, apply. Okay, so current value what I kept 2, I was keeping, so that's why 2 values. Now to change the values, I have to go to this parameter which I created just now. What I created is top 10. Clicking on this top 10, show parameter. Now here I can have the changes. Okay, do this everybody. Can you go for next? How many of you are done? Now filter date will do. Create this everyone. Online people, understanding or not?
Yes,
Created. Then yes, see here now. I can put this order date here, and accordingly it will work either like a major or like a discrete value. Okay, measure or dimension according to our requirement. So right now, as it is asking me, see, I can select like this any 2 years. Now it is filtered. Now which color it is? Blue color. So it is a dimension. Unique value I selected. Now if I see this first box, this upper box, it is acting like a dimension part. Downside it is acting like a major part. So right now which one is selected? Dimension ones. Yes. Here if I select, now see this panel it is asking. When this kind of panel comes, when the value is continuous. Yes or no? I'll say okay. See it became green color. Here also. Either here downside discrete continuous is option is there. By clicking here, if you click here itself, this point will come here. See, came here. It was one and the same. Okay, this either you select this or this discrete continuous will be one and the same. This means major dimension. This means dimension. The above one downside major. This also discrete means what? It's like a dimension. Continuous means major. Okay. So right now what we are seeing according to the year. Let us suppose I want to see it according to month. Okay, so here I can go and select month. I'll make it and take this order date month next. So here I can select individual months. Yes, so if it would be in the continuous one, it would be hard for me to select the range. Yes or no, different. So here directly I'm coming. Let us suppose I want to have only 6 months in the output. Let's say apply. Okay. So 6 months values are visible. Here this also month, this also. Do it everyone. Try to see it in the both the ways. Discrete, continuous, major, dimension, year, month, quarter. Giving you 3 minutes for all this.
I'm not understanding the purpose.
यूनिकली आपको select करना है तो आप उसको
I
discrete
will select here in कॉलम और फिल्टर में अगर मंथ सिलेक्ट करेंगे
तो हो जाएगा, बट देखने में तो ईयर ही दिखेगा ना। तो यहाँ पे जो भी सेलेक्ट करेंगे वो देखने के लिए क्या है आपको, वो दिखेगा। तो यहाँ पे मंथ सेलेक्ट करोगे तो मंथ दिखेगा। यहाँ पे फिल्टर जो भी करोगे वो फिल्टर आउट हो जाएगा, उसके बारे में आपको सोचने का जरूरत नहीं है। बट आपको देखना भी है क्या फिल्टर किया है, तो यहाँ पे भी आपको सेलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा। Done. Now we'll see interactive filters. Earlier we had a parameter to change the things, right? Yes or no? Here also interactive filter is very important. Otherwise, I have to go to this. I'll say I should have to say the edit filter, then do the changes. Let us suppose this to unselect, apply, okay. So every time I have to go there, edit filter, select, unselect, apply, okay. But when I say show filter, so here I have this option to select it from here itself. I don't have to go there again and again and change the options. Getting it? So this is known as interactive filter. There itself on the right side you will have this box to filter out the values. Do it fast. Question the sign. Then now we'll look out for filter layouts. Okay. So create this much along with this filter, interactive filter. Hmm. Done everyone? Now see in this drop down, this is one of the filter layout. This is how my interactive filter is looking right now. I can change this visibility. So here in the drop down, I will have this option single value list. So right now at a time only one I can select. Okay. What was the by default one which I get? Multi value list. This I was getting right. So I can select multiple values. So no. This was the by default layout which I was getting. Single value list was the another one. Single value drop down. So when I click on the drop down, I can select a single value. Okay. These are different layouts. Single value slider. Then multi-value list was the by default. Multi-value drop down will have a drop down. I can select multiple ones. And again, this I can close. So that is another one. Multi-value custom list. So here whatever I will type like art, art, I'll search, that will come and I'll select it. That is custom list. Whatever you type that you can select. Then here it is wildcard. Wildcard what was there? Contains was there, right? When I say contains O, so all these categories which contains O, that is wildcard layout. So all these are the interactive filter layouts present there. Just check out everyone quickly. Done. We'll go for advanced filters right now. Just create this much, name it as advanced filter. Done. See here, when I put category and select all, apply, okay, going to show filter and taking the subcategory, dragging here, select all, apply, okay, show filter. See, category went downside, subcategory went upside. Category is the bigger one. We will filter first category, then we'll filter the subcategory. So this four arrows coming are right. Single arrow, four arrow. Single four. Whenever this four are coming, then you can drag it. See, this black line is coming right. See, it means I want to drop it here. Hitting it. So I'm bring that upside. Category, I brought it upside. Now, when I'm unselecting this office supplies, still the subcategories from the office supplies are visible. Yes or no? Now I have to figure out. Now furniture and technology, these two are only remaining. I have to figure out those names which are from the current one, and from that I what I don't want to see. Let us suppose this machines is from technology, that I don't want to see. Yes, I have to figure out first. Now this from office supplies which are not visible here, still those things are visible here, like bookcase. Yes, no, bookcase was in which, the bookcase is in the furniture. Chair, what is there in the office supplies? See this appliances. See, appliances is in the office supplies. Yes, right now office supplies I am not able to see on the sheet. Still this option is present, right? This will make me confused. What I want to select, what I don't want to select, right? So what I'll do, I'll click on the drop down and I'll say only relevant values. Only relevant values. So see, now this office supply I have unselected so that values are not shown. When I unselect this technology, so these values from the technologies also are not shown in the filter layout also. So I will be very much clear from these available values what I want to see and what I don't want to see. Clear everybody? So what option I'll use for this? Show relevant, only relevant values. Okay, go for that. Done. Now, as you know what is interactive filter, create the interactive date filter. Filter for the month and just click here, show filter, and this month filter will be shown here. From here itself you can select the month. Getting it, everyone? This much part you are done. You just have to add this show filter. Clear, everybody? And do this interactive date filter. Anybody wants me to show how to make? Easy it is, right? Make it fast. Summary level filters. Everybody, let's focus on this. Create this much. Name it as summary level. Let us suppose I am creating a profit. What we can say? Each subcategory, how much profit it is giving. A profit report kind of I am creating. Okay. In a profit report, I don't want to show the losses of if some subcategory is giving me some loss, that I don't want to show. Only profit subcategories I want to show. This is a summary which I want to show to my managers. So when I put this sum of profit into the color, which were negative, it is going in the negative direction. Which are positive in the positive. So I want to show only till positive. This negative I don't want to show. So just I can take this profit into the filter, sum of. So here from negative to positive all the values are there, right? So here I will just write it 0. 0 onwards all the positive values whatever are there show me. Below 0 don't show me. This is the small change I am doing. Apply. Okay. See this yellow part which is going inside the negative side, that I am not sure. Create this, everybody. summary level filter. Done? How many of you are done? Yes. So that's it for today. Back up. We'll continue tomorrow. Thank you all.